Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at how to create powerful infographics from topics that you actually, not powerful infographics rather, how to create powerful quiz from YouTube videos. You understand? You see, you can watch some YouTube videos and that's why the fact that you actually know some certain things, but you might not try to get the full grasp of what this particular video is talking about. So we're going to look at how to actually get a grip of it. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is to go over to notebook.lm.google.com. We've done that. You click on new notebook. Then when you click on new notebook, come over here and click on YouTube. Then I think, let me check if I have some. Okay, so we have this YouTube video here from Google career certificate. So what we're going to be doing is to pull this video from here and bring it over to Notebook LM and tell Notebook LM that we'll need a quiz from here. We're going to generate a quiz and also an infographics from it. Okay, so we'll have it here. So this is where we are now. This is where we are concerned about. So we'll click on the quiz aspect. It's now generating the quiz now. Now, remember, recall that the reason why we are doing this is because we want to, put it like a student scene, a study scene. It's the reason why we are using a quiz model to actually understand what this particular concept says better. It's the reason why we're using a quiz model on this to actually get more findings on those things that are actually hidden in this video that maybe we watching the video we didn't actually understand such a particular thing. So you can see that the quiz has been generated on my close to my bottom right. So let's click on it. So there's the quiz here. It says, according to CIA TRAD, a foundational security model, what does the confidentiality principle ensure? It said data is correct, authentic, and reliable. B, data is accessible to authorized users when needed. C, security systems are regularly audited and tested for vulnerabilities. D, only authorized users can access specific assets or data. I think in my own opinion, the answer is D, only authorized users can access specific assets or data. When we say confidential, means we are keeping these things secret, it's not open to everybody. So therefore means that it is only those who are authorized that that can access specific assets or specific information. You understand? So let's look at the next question. It's actually pulled out 12 questions. So let's look at the next question beneath. Next question, say the transcript describes the Maurice Worm of 1988. What was the correct outcome of this attack that influenced the security industry? The establishment of Computer Emergency Response Team, the implementation of NIC security framework for government agencies, the development of the first antivirus software to track illegal copies. Actually remember about this Worm attack, but I can't actually I know about this worm attack, but I can't actually remember the answer to this particular answer, which is this particular answer. But actually, I know I've actually, because I've watched the intro of this particular video, but I can't remember this particular number 2. So that's how you can actually create a quiz, and it's something that you can actually play with, study with. You can even go ahead and download it. Yes, you can download it from here. You can share with yourself and download it. So if we can also go over and create a slide deck. You can also create a slide deck based on this. So it's loading to create for us a slide deck. Alright, so you can see over here. We've also, an infographics has also been generated from the same video, and you can see how explanatory the infographics is. So it's the cybersecurity opportunity. It's a launch your career in cybersecurity, the cybersecurity opportunity, what do security analysts do, the unique background, is an asset, what are the unique background, Python programming and SQL programming language, security information and event management tools known as SIM tools, network protocol analysis and Linux, technical skills that you learn. These are the technical skills that you learn. And the next are transferable skills that you may have. They include curiosity and motivation, problem solving and critical thinking, collaboration and communication. Then if we move forward, say your learning journey with Google, job ready in 3 to 6 months. This flexible online program requires no prior experience and designed by Google expert, mastering demand skills and tools, so which was just mentioned, network security management. Then gain hands-on practice with core topics like network security, threat management, and automation. Then connect with over 200 employers. It's a graduate gain access to a consortium of employers interested in hiring certificate holders. So you can see it's actually a wonderful one over there. So it gives you everything you need to know about the video at a glance with one infographics. So you can see this is a slide deck now that we actually clicked on earlier, but it took longer. It took longer before it actually responded. You can see it has about 12 slides in it, and they are all wonderful slides. Let's go back and let's go up and see what the result looks like. But this is slide 1. There's the first slide. I think it's supposed to have a navigation system. Okay, let's zoom out. Then this is slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6, slide 7, slide 8, slide 9, slide 10, slide 11, slide 12. So you can see that this notebook LM is a powerful tool at your disposal that you need to explore. So do want to like this video and subscribe to this channel. As usual, this next gen AI.